Hi, I'm Alex from Wordai, and I'm here to show you how you can create human quality content with the push of a button. Now, a lot of people these days are talking about automatically generating human quality content, so I want to quickly go over what I am not talking about. I am not talking about low quality garbage that will get you penalized by Google. I am not talking about content that requires you to spend hours of your time manually correcting stupid mistakes. And most importantly, I am not talking about content that looks like machine-written gibberish. What I am talking about is a completely automated program that is able to take any article and turn it into hundreds of high-quality variations that Google will go absolutely crazy over. I know this sounds unbelievable, so I don't want you to take my word for it. Instead, I'm going to show you live how I can create hundreds of completely unique, high-quality articles in under 30 seconds. However, before I do that, I want to talk about the brain. You have one, and there's something very important about how the brain is set up. The brain is not a synonym database that stupidly replaces words with synonyms. The human brain is composed of these crazy things called neurons, which network together to allow humans to learn and adapt. This helps us learn to do things like avoid predators and find food, but it also helps us learn to do things like write high-quality content. So with 5 years of combined research, we've created a 20-server supercomputer brain powered by virtual neurons that are able to learn and adapt just like a human can. This brain has spent the past year reading millions of articles, learning how the English language works and how to properly write and rewrite text. This brain is powered by something called a deep highway network, which is basically a super technical research concept that allows us to create huge numbers of virtual neurons that can quickly simulate the human learning process. This brain is capable of reading, understanding, and writing text the exact same way that a human does, which means your content looks like it was written by a human. Since this technology is not available in any other spinner, Wordai version 4 will be the first time internet marketers will ever have access to this. Let me show you what this brain is capable of. Here, I'll enter a sentence. I suspect that the suspect will be found guilty since he looked rather suspect to me. I'll click spin now, and Wordai has automatically rewritten the sentence. The word suspect appears 3 different times in the sentence, and each one means something slightly different. The first suspect means to guess or think, while the second suspect means a person who is thought to have committed a crime, and the third suspect means suspicious or shady. We didn't tell Wordai any of that, and there are no synonym databases with that information stored. Wordai simply learned on its own that depending on context, this word can mean multiple different things. So all you have to do is click a single button, and you'll get back a human quality article that is ready to go. But being able to do intelligent word spinning often isn't enough, so this brain has also been learning how to rewrite entire sentences. I'll enter another sentence. Tomorrow I'll have cookies and milk if we eat at a restaurant. I'll now turn on automatically rewrite sentences and click spin now. Wordai has completely rewritten the sentence to, if we eat in a restaurant tomorrow, I will have milk and cookies. It not only switched around the order of milk and cookies, but it also changed the entire structure of the sentence. Before the sentence started with, I'll have milk and cookies, but now it starts with, if we eat in a restaurant. The word tomorrow was originally at the beginning of the sentence, and Wordai moved it to the middle of the sentence in one rewrite and to the end of the sentence in another rewrite. Unlike other spinners, Wordai doesn't just view the sentence as 11 words that all might have synonyms. It understands exactly what each of those 11 words mean, but also how those 11 words interact with each other. This technology means that your text is completely readable and it is completely unique, all in one click. Now, although all of these examples are nice, I did promise you that I would show you how to create 100 high-quality articles in under 30 seconds. So let's jump in. I'm going to start the timer now. Since I don't have any content I want to spin, I'll import an article from Article Forge about hedge funds. Since we are creating hundreds of articles, I'm going to turn on automatic sentence rewriting so that we get extra uniqueness for each of our variations. And as you can see, Wordai's supercomputer brain has already completely rewritten the article. I'm now going to click export. I'm going to enter 100 as the number of articles I want to export. I'll stop the timer now. And as you can see, Wordai has exported 100 completely unique and high quality articles. That's all it takes. No wasting hours and hours rewriting the entire article yourself or removing mistake after mistake your current spinner gives you. Instead, all you have to do is click a button. That's it. Just click a button, and without doing any other work, you'll get a high-quality spun article. But I don't want you to just see this for yourself. I want you to have the ability to experience the power of Wordai version 4 for yourself with absolutely no risk. So you can try Wordai version 4 and the supercomputer brain powering it today, and it will cost you literally nothing. Because when you sign up today, you won't have to pay a single cent for the first 3 days. That's 3 whole days access, completely free. We do this because I know once you see how powerful Wordai is for yourself, how much content you're creating, and how many sites you are ranking, you'll be with us for life. And for us, that is more important than just making a quick sale. So click the button below and get your first high-quality spun article just minutes from now, all without having to pay a single cent. I'm Alex Cardinale, and thanks for watching. I'll see you inside.